I will start page number 177 from our textbook, NCERT textbook. So it is some changes in book might be. So page number 177, lesson number 13 from our textbook. Yesterday already completed up to question number A. Now we will start from question number B. Hariya took a loan to build his house. He has to pay back rupees 2,750 every month for 2 years. How much will he pay back in 2 years? Every month, एक मंथ में उसने कितना देते हैं 2,750. So we have to calculate 2 years. As we know, 1 year means 12 months. So right over here, first question number B. 1 year equal to 12 months. Then 2 years equal to 12 multiply 2, that is 24 months. So 1 month he has to pay rupees 2750, that is 2,750. So 24 months he has to pay 2750 multiply 24. Do the multiplication over here. 2754 multiply 24. 2750 multiply 24. 400, 4 5s are 20, carry 2. 4 7s are 28, plus 2, that is 30, carry 3. 4 2s are 8, or 3 11. 2 0 0, 2 5s are 10, carry 1. 2 7s are 14, or 1 15, carry 1. 2 2s are 4, or 1 5. Now do the add. So here it is 1 10 100 1000 10,000, that is 66,000. Right over here, rupees 66,000 he has to pay in 2 years. Question number C. Ratiram is a milk seller. Ratiram मिल्क बेचने वाले हैं, दूध बेचने वाले हैं इन द सिटी. He sells 13 liters of milk every day at rupees 43 per liter. How much does he earn? Right here, one liter milk cost rupees 43. Next, 13 liter he sold. So 13 liter milk cost 43 multiply 13. 13 3s are 39, carry 3. Then 13 4s are 52 plus 3, that is 55. So the answer is rupees 559 Ratiram will earn. Ratiram will earn rupees 559. Question number D. A farmer sells 1 liter of milk for rupees 41. In 1 month, he sells 210 liters of milk. How much does he earn in a month? So first of all, 1 liter of milk for rupees 41. Cost of 1 liter milk, rupees 41. In 1 month, he sells 210 liters of milk. Then cost of 200 liter milk, 210 multiply 41. 1 0 0, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2. Sign of multiplication, 4 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 4 plus 2 6, 8. So here it is 8,610 rupees. He will earn rupees 8,610. Come for question number E. A company sells 1 liter of packed water for rupees 18. A shopkeeper buys 240 liters of packed water. How much does he pay? So right over here, cost of 1 liter packed water, rupees 18. Now cost of 240 liter packed water, 240 multiply 18. 240 multiply 18, 800, 8 4s are 32, carry 3, 8 2s are 16, plus 3 that is 19, 100, 4 1s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 0 2, 9 plus 4, 3, carry 1, 2 or 1 3 or 1 4, that is 4,000 equal to rupees 4,320. So the shopkeeper will pay rupees 4,020. See, oh God, in the city people buy water by money. देखो, हम जो सिटी में रहने वाले हैं वो सब क्या करते हैं, पानी भी खरीदते हैं. ये देखकर कौन हैरान हो रहा है? बर्ड. कम फॉर नेक्स्ट पेज. Look, fun with multiplication. Look for the pattern and take this forward. 0 multiply 9 means 0. Any number when multiply by 9, in multiply by 0, answer always 0. So 0 plus 1, that is 1. 1 multiply 9, 9 ones are 9 plus 2, that is 11. 12 nines are 108 plus 3, that is 111. That is a pattern. See, first 1, then 11, that means 2, 1, then 111. That is 3, 1. Next 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 multiply 9 plus 4. That is 1 4 times. Next 3 after 4. According to ascending order, 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply the same number, that is 9. And here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 5. We get 1 5 times. That is 1 10 100 1000 10,000 11,111. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiply by 9. And here it is 5 after 6. We get 1 6 times. This is the pattern. Number B, each letter A, B, C here stands for a number. Look, AA, then multiply AA. So, all are coming A. So, here the answer A, when 2 times A, right over here B, and when 3 times A, right over here C. That means the value of B equal to 2 and value of C equal to 3. यानी जब भी A एक बार है तो उसका वैल्यू A का वैल्यू है 1. A देखो जहाँ पे 2 बार है उसका वैल्यू 2 हो गया. A जहाँ पे 3 टाइम्स है उसका वैल्यू 3. Take A equal to 1, then find what the numbers B and C. So number B is 2 and number C is 3. Question number C, tricks with your age. Write your age. Suppose your age is 10. Multiply it by 7. So 10 multiply 7, getting 70. Again multiply the answer by 13. So 70 multiply 13. 13 sevens are 91 and this 0, that is 910. Next, multiply again that answer by 11. So 910 multiply 11, got over here 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 10,010. So see the last 2 digit and the first 2 digit is the age, whatever age I give first time.